Sometimes you'd like to ask someone to do something for you, but you don't know or you hesitate how to do so. Continue watching this video if you'd like to fully understand how to make requests in English. My name is Abdillah. Welcome to Smooth English. I'll be mostly speaking in English, but you can read the subtitles or the translations below. Right. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make requests in English. Translated into Arabic as طلب. It is when you ask someone to do something for you. لست الشخص الذي يقوم بالفعل ولكن تطلب من شخص ما أن يفعل ذلك الشيء. It is worth noting that you take three things into account: making requests, accepting requests, and refusing or declining requests. Well, the first thing, making requests, which means أن تطلب من شخص ما أن يفعل شيئا ما. Some of the expressions of making requests are can you, could you, will you, would you, and so much more. I know that question you have in mind. Are they alike or they are different? No, they are totally different. لماذا? The rationale is pertained to formality. That is to say, you use can you and will you if you're talking with your fellows or friends, and you're using would you, could you if you're talking to a professor or a director in order to show politeness or respect. Examples: can you subscribe to Smooth English with Abdillah's channel? Can you hand me that book? Can you open the window? Could you ask your professor to clarify that point? The second thing you should take into account is accepting requests. That is to say, تقبل فعل طلب. من بين التعابير التي يمكنك استعمالها ل accepting requests, of course, definitively, definitely, absolutely, my pleasure, I'd be pleased to, I'd be happy to. All these mean in Moroccan Darija مرحبا or الله يودي. To elucidate this, let's give an example. A. Can you help me carry that desk? B. Sure. Or you can even use absolutely or definitively. The third point that you should be aware of, and it is antonymous to accepting requests, is declining requests or refusing requests. There are numerous expressions that you can use in order to decline or refuse requests. No, 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 among which you can use of course not, I don't want so, I'm sorry, but I will not do that. Definitively not. I would be happy to, but, right? Here is an example. A. Can you help me solve this mathematical equation? B. I'd be pleased to, but I am not into mathematics. Or you can say, I'd be happy to, but I definitively have no knowledge in mathematics. In Tamazighs, that would give you رخ ولكن سامحين. Or you can easily say, but it's not polite. No. Well, you've got to be aware of three things, right? Making requests, accepting requests, and declining requests. Well, there are many ways to express requests. So the thing is, try always to be polite in your speeches. Try to motivate people by talking. Try to be appropriate in your words. If you're talking to a professor, use polite and respectful words. If you are talking to students or friends, that would be okay if you use some words like no or I don't want or I don't care, but always try to be polite. تفهمنا? That was this video from Smooth English with Abdillah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, I suffered to create this video, so I would be pleased if you hit that subscribe button and share this video to reach the maximum. We're no longer teaching trivial things. We're here to educate each other. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page, Smooth English, and our Instagram page, Smooth English 1, for more daily lessons of English. I'll see you next time.